Hello, everyone. It is the AI developer back at you once again with algorithmic innovations. And we're going to be talking about, what are we talking about? Okay, so we're talking about how to utilize AI to build a one-page sales funnel for your course. Now, like I said, everything that I talk about on this channel, I think I kind of say this a lot, is all stuff that I have experience with and stuff that I've done, right? So I'm going to show you guys the actual one page funnel that I was able to create at the end of this video. Or actually, you know what? We're going to save it. If you guys want to check out the one page funnel that I created utilizing AI at the end of this, you'll have to actually go check out the blog post at my Substack, right? So I want to get as many people over there as I can to maybe subscribe. So yeah, so we'll do it like that. So without further ado, let's jump right into it, as well as the prompt that I used to actually um, get this right, and also the because there's always a continuous usage of multiple prompts, right? Because you know you're not going to get exactly what you want every single time from AI unless you just really have a God prompt, right, for exactly what you want to do, or unless you have a custom GPT, whatever whatever you may have, depending on your setup, right? But typically, people utilizing AI, like myself, sometimes I'm lazy and it'll just turn into a series of prompts. So I'm going to provide a series of prompts to you guys in the blog post. So without further ado, let's kind of go into it. So here is the response from ChatGPT, and this GPT I created is called Code Companion. So what they did is they said, here's a one-pager sales funnel for your course. It's called Future Proofing Your Career as a Developer 2024 and Beyond. You guys just should definitely go and check it out if you're in not in fear, but if you're constantly having, to think about, is AI going to take my job? Just kind of this ongoing conversation, I feel like, So I created the course to kind of outlines my plan and what I'm doing personally to ensure that I'm irreplaceable, like the Beyonce song, right? So if you guys want to do the same, definitely check out the course. It's very affordable right now, and the price probably won't be that way for long. It's only limited to 10 or so slots, so definitely make sure you guys check it out. And yeah, so using HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript, I've integrated modern design elements such as bento boxes and large typography. I've also used on-hover effects for all CTAs and included a custom font for Google Fonts. So that's just some stuff that I already kind of have baked in there to have it do, just for my own personal kind of workflow, right? And if you kind of know about that stuff, then you know. But that's just kind of making sure that things are kind of modern. The sales funnel is going to start off kind of modern, and already kind of be where I need it to be before I kind of jump in and start editing. Um, and you can add other things too, such as how you want to structure your site, how many pages you want, blah 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 blah, right? So and as you can see here, I spit out this HTML one page HTML document, with all the HTML and all of the sections. As you can see, we have the bento box class with all the bento box styling. We have a script.js, we have the style.css here with all of the styles, and then we have the script.js with the on hover effects. And the listeners. So as you can see here, I haven't, this is where I kind of stopped with the sales funnel because I haven't gotten to the point where I want to. Well, it's just a basic funnel, right? It's just a basic landing page for now. I mean, I'll say that much. Because I haven't gotten to the point where I know how I want to structure and utilize it yet. Because there's lots of, there's lots of things to consider when designing a funnel. And so I want to make sure I design it the right way to really ensure it provides all the information for users and, makes it easier for them to sign up if they do decide and once they do decide. So, yeah, so with that being said, that series of prompts that I was speaking about, that will be in a blog post and a follow up or part two from the original blog post that I will post from this video. So yeah, and that's pretty much how you guys utilize AI or ChatGPT to build a one-page sales funnel for this was for a course, but this could be for anything, right? It could be for, you know, it could be for your restaurant, it could be for your app, it could be for, your e-commerce store, it could be for a number of things, whatever you're selling on service or product that you're offering or selling online or providing, it can be for that. So yeah, so if you guys want access to the prompt or have questions about how to tailor it to your needs, definitely reach out and leave a comment below. Make sure you guys first and foremost subscribe to the channel, and also make sure you guys subscribe to my blog, because that's where you'll get the most information and probably have better chance at reaching me directly and more quickly, since I'm blogging every single day and videos are getting uploaded kind of when I can. So with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. It's the AI developer, and I am out. Keep coding as always. Bye now.